Hey, it's John Tech here, and today let's talk about more future, not Pixel 7, but Google Pixel 8. In the fall, Google will uncover two smartphones in the Pixel 7 series, but all recent leaks suggest that the two will not bring any improvements over their predecessors. Anyway, Google has entered the smartphone field for a few years and has no intentions to withdraw from it, so it's logical that the company will be working on the follow-up models in the future. But we couldn't imagine that this will happen soon. 9to5 Google reported that another Google Pixel smartphone, which is Google Pixel 8, is in the works. What's more interesting, unlike the upcoming Pixel 7, it will get some major enhancements, especially concerning the screen. Also, we have learned about some key features of the forthcoming Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. The information had came our way from the Android open source project code. The information wasn't marked with the phone's names. Instead, we found mentions of C10 and P10 that referred to Cheetah, Pixel 7 Pro, and Panther, Pixel 7 respectively. However, besides these names, guys at 9to5 Google found two other device code names, Felix and Lynx. They ought to refer to the Pixel 7a and an unknown device, but we don't think that's going to be Pixel 8. Most likely, the unknown device in the code will be the delayed Pixel Notepad Foldable. Anyway, the code revealed that Google is working on support for a completely different display. The model comes with the tag G10. Prior to this, we haven't got any leaks for such a Pixel model. What we know is that the G10 device must obviously run on Android. Moreover, there's every reason to think that inside it will carry a Tensor chip. Is this enough to think that Google is already working on a Pixel 8? You judge. Some users might think it could be a Pixel A series handset, but it will support 120Hz refresh rate, which is quite rare for A-like models. Apart from this, the display of the Pixel 8 smartphone will be made by BOE, a Chinese display OEM. Now the latter is gaining momentum and winning more and more orders from top brands such as Apple. However, we shouldn't rule out the possibility that this could be a top-end tablet that is going to hit the market in 2023. Generally, at the moment, it's too early to assume what device we are dealing with, but something hints that it will be similar to the Pixel 6 Pro and Pixel 7 Pro. So that's it for today, guys. Let me know your thoughts on that, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.